Super excited to show you this amazing bathroom transformation that we just completed. Come take a look. Oh, wait a minute. I gotta slow it down here. In today's video, I'm gonna give you several tips that you may wanna consider before you do that bathroom renovation, as well as things that I feel will add a ton of value to that bathroom remodel. So let's get started right now. All right, guys, so here we are in this beautiful, amazing bathroom that we just transformed. But before we get started, what I'd like to offer you is an invite to hit that subscribe button, as well as your feedback in the comments below. What's some of the stuff that you're adding to your bathroom to make it look beautiful? Before I unveil this, let's just take a quick moment and look at that before. All right, so here's the semi before. Put the floors in already. This will be a tub. Then also what we'll do is do a steam shower with beautiful glass doors. Do a nice painting, cabinetry, and sinks. Again, just wanted to offer this before here. All right, folks, so I'm starting at the shower because showers to me, I feel is probably the most important when you're doing a bathroom renovation, especially a master bathroom. You want it to be big, you want it to feel a little bit luxurious. Now, if you look at the tile tones that we picked, very neutral, not too dark, something that could really stay with time. So 10 years from now, this color is still gonna look good because it's a very light, neutral color. Now, we did add a texture in the back here, so that way you get some contrast going. And I'm gonna show you where we tied this back tile into another area in this bathroom. The other thing to consider when you're doing a big bathroom like this is put the rain shower head, put the steam shower in, put a regular traditional shower head in, and make sure you got that nice height there. The other feature that I love is the fact that you've got volume, you've got temperature, you've got all of these different temperature settings that make it convenient. So when you shower, you simply just kick that on and you've got your temperature that you're always used to. The other thing is the shampoo niches. If you could see, the entrance is right here. We didn't want to put any shampoo niches here to actually have to see these shampoo bottles, so we tucked them away. So come a little closer so I can give you a little bit better detail as to how we built this shower here. All right, so as you could see, the shower floor, we used a octagon natural stone here, which is a really nice contrast, especially with the textured wall here. It's kind of like a herringbone. And this is just porcelain tile, folks, as well as large porcelain tiles here. And then you can see that we brought the floor tile into the shampoo niches. Here's a little closer look at the shower fixture, stainless steel. All right, let's go to the opposite side of this here. All right, so here's the opposite side. We went ahead and included a bench. Those are the steam shower system there. That's what shoots the mist out. And then a separate fixture here that's convenient while you're sitting. You've got a handheld spray. And again, her own shampoo niche, again with the floor tile inlaid. Right here is where the switch is for the steam. Again, convenient to the bench here. And then right here is the rain shower head with the recessed lights. All right, so directly across the shower is this beautiful tub. Now, I know that tubs aren't frequently used as much, but again, you may want to consider adding a tub if you've got a big enough bathroom and enough space. This really adds a really nice wow factor to a bathroom, especially a master bathroom. Now, as you can see, we've added the tile texture wall that matches the shower. So that ties in really, really, really nice. Now let's get a little closer to give you some decor that we added to make this little space here cozy, warm, and very inviting, almost like a spa-like feeling. So let's get to some of these details right now. All right, so as you enter the tub area, as you can see, we went with a wall-mounted tub fixture. That tub fixture actually matches the shower fixture. So you can see the handle. So everything blends together. It's a nice large spout, so it's very compatible with the type of tub that we installed. The other factor is we added some shelving, so that way the homeowner can add their nice decor. And as you can see, they utilize spa-like bottles and soaps and sponges here. Gives it a nice warm touch. And they added a few more on that ledge there. The other factor is a light fixture. So we added some electrical here, and it really gives it a nice touch, especially at nighttime when you're going to use the tub. All right, let's go to some cabinetry that really looks good here in this particular bathroom. All right, this is his vanity and cabinetry and faucet. Again, the faucet matches the tub and the shower. We added a nice little feature for dirty clothes and plenty of storage. And a countertop that I think really blends in. Again, it's light, it's neutral, but it goes well with the shower and the flooring. Light fixture that just adds a nice little ambiance, especially at nighttime. All right, let's go to the hers. All right, ladies, so this is the hers vanity. And you could see what we did was we went ahead and extended and wrapped the countertop, gave more storage for makeup and products. And what I love about these vanities that they're the height of them. So you could see not too contemporary, but it's that shaker look is what the cabinet drawers are. And we added that stainless steel. Again, nice little touch with the light fixtures. Okay, so just to the right of the tub, you can see it's its own separate room for the toilet. And what we've done is we've converted the toilet and added a Toto bidet seat. This is really cool because it does not only offer the washing capabilities, but the seat itself warms up. You do need to remember to add electrical, because if you don't, this will not work. And the other thing I want you to be mindful of is pick a baseboard that is tall. It really offers a nice custom look. All right, so to add to this beautiful bathroom and give it that experience when you're using the shower or the tub or brushing your teeth, whatever it may be, we added this feature which I think really tops it off. And I think it's a really nice feature to consider. So let's show you that right now. So we added a surround system. Imagine this music playing while you're in the tub or your shower. So it really does give you that full experience. So something to consider for sure. All right, so you're probably wondering, what does all of this cost? For a bathroom like this, with all the tile, the doors, the fixtures, the cabinets, the tub, the toilet, all of the labor material, I would budget as low as about $20,000 and as high as about $50,000. It really depends on the expense of the materials. That plays a big factor when you're considering doing a master bathroom renovation. So I would budget in those numbers. It's always best practices to get 3 estimates, so that way you know you're getting the best deal. All right, well, there you have it. Hopefully this helped give you some insight on a bathroom renovation. As always, thanks for watching.